Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from our education with the latest update. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has requested the centre to reopen the Delhi metro on a trial basis in a phased manner after stating that the COVID-19 situation is under control in the state. The Chief Minister said that Delhi should be treated differently as cases here are stable now. I hope the centre will make a decision soon. Kejriwal said during a press briefing. He further expressed his happiness in the fact that the COVID-19 situation in Delhi has been brought under control with the assistance of the residents of the city. The Delhi metro services have been closed since March 22, 2020, ahead of the announcement of the nationwide lockdown to control the spread of COVID-19. Following the Delhi CM's statement, the DMRC executive Dr. Anuj Dayal issued a statement saying that after several months of closure due to COVID-19 pandemic, the Delhi metro is now ready to resume operation as soon as the central government gives nod. Dayal stated that the DMRC is prepared to commence operations whenever directed by the government. He assured that all the necessary guidelines to combat the spread of the COVID-19 virus have been implemented and all efforts shall be made to make travel safe for the commuters. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal also held consultations with traders from across the city to address steps to boost the national capital's economy. He highlighted how many people had to suffer as their business shut down during the COVID-induced lockdown. He, however, assured that people of Delhi have done great things during the period of 5 years. He highlighted the pollution has reduced to 25% in Delhi in the last 5 years. The city was also able to control dengue in 2019 and it has now been able to control COVID-19 together. The same way Kejriwal said that we will also improve our economy together. The Chief Minister pointed out that Delhi is the only city where lockdown was not imposed again. We imposed lockdown in Delhi only once and then gradually resumed work across fields from June 1 onwards. As we understand, work and COVID management can go hand in hand. The Delhi metro train services are suspended on March 22 on the day of Janata curfew to stop the spread of COVID-19 infection. The services have remained suspended since then as a nationwide lockdown was imposed later on. Though the centre announced Unlock 1 in June, followed by Unlock 2.0 and Unlock 3.0 in July, metro services continue to be suspended across the country. The metro services can be resumed when it received approval from the central government. The national capital, which at one point had the second highest number of cases in the country, has seen a fall in its COVID-19 cases. Currently, Delhi has around 161,406 confirmed coronavirus cases, among which 11,778 cases are active cases and there have been 43,000 fatalities at Delhi Health Department. Business with annual turnover of up to Rs 40 lakh now GST exempt, Finance Ministry. The Union Ministry of Finance announced on August 24 that now business with an annual turnover of up to Rs 40 lakh will be GST exempt. The ministry added that those with a turnover up to Rs 1.5 crore can only opt for the composition scheme and pay only 1% tax. Earlier, only businesses with an annual turnover of Rs 20 lakh were exempted from GST tax. The finance minister made the announcement through a series of tweets on the occasion of first death anniversary of former finance minister Arun Jaitley. The finance ministry paid respect to the late leader and remembered his lasting contribution to nation building and the legacy he left behind as Union Finance Minister during 2014 to 19. The ministry acknowledged through its steward the key role Arun Jaitley had played in the implementation of GST, which will go down in history as one of the most fundamental landmark reforms in India taxation. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.